In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add apps to your Whop. We're going to walk through the process from your Whop homepage all the way to connecting the apps you want to use. This is a simple setup, but if you're new to the platform, knowing exactly where each option is can save you time. To begin, open Whop and go to the homepage. This is your main starting point, and from here, you'll be able to access your account options. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one profile or switch between accounts. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can access personal settings and other account-related options. If you don't immediately see what you need, take a second to let the menu expand fully so you can view all available choices. From that menu, click the settings icon. This will take you into the area where you can manage your account preferences and connected services. Settings is where Whop keeps most of the controls for your account, so this is an important section to become familiar with if you plan to customize your experience. After you're in Settings, find and click on Connected Accounts. This section is specifically for linking and managing external apps or services associated with your Whop account. If you ever need to review what's already connected later on, this is also where you'll come back. Inside Connected Accounts, you'll see the available app options. Click on Add for the apps you want to connect. Choose the app or apps that match what you need and follow any prompts that appear on screen. In some cases, Whop may ask you to confirm permissions or authorize the connection. Just review those prompts carefully so you understand what access is being granted. That's all it takes to add apps to your Whop account. Once connected, those apps should become part of your account setup and help extend what you can do inside the platform. As a quick tip, if an app doesn't connect right away, refresh the page and try again, or return to the Connected Accounts section to confirm whether it was added successfully. It's also a good idea to double check that you selected the correct app before finishing, and that's how to add apps to your Whop quickly and easily.